The Accord has been built in Marysville Auto Plant at Ohio since the plant opened 40 years ago in 1982, making Honda the first international automaker to successfully establish auto production in America. MAP Associates led the establishment of new design and processes to improve quality, efficiency, and improved manufacturing ergonomics for production of 11th generation Accord. And today, Honda celebrated the start of mass production of the all-new 2023 Honda Accord and Accord Hybrid.
This is a proud moment for all Honda associates as we celebrate not only an all-new Honda Accord, but the storied history of the Marysville Auto Plant where Honda began auto production in the US with the same nameplate 40 years ago. Accord's decades-long sales success speaks to the leadership and pioneering spirit of Honda associates in Marysville who have consistently delivered high-quality products for our customers over the last 4 decades,
said June Jayaraman, plant lead at MAP. The all-new 2023 Honda Accord will re-energize the mid-size sedan segment with an elegant and sophisticated design and an available advanced hybrid electric system that provides both a sporty, exhilarating driving experience and outstanding fuel efficiency. Accord hybrid models are positioned at the top of the 11th generation Accord lineup and will represent about 50% of sales. The 11th generation will be available in 6 trim levels, starting with the turbocharged LX and EX and topped by the hybrid-powered Sport, EXL, Sport L, and Touring. With 247 pound-ft of torque from Honda's new 4th generation 2-motor hybrid system, the 2023 Accord hybrids are the most powerful ever.